What's the live, what's the life, what's the live, what's the life? Back again with another video, back again with another reaction. We're about to check out the Twizer show featuring Ma7, Upset, Season 2, Episode 7. Ma7, Episode... Okay, about to check it out. If you're new to this channel, please like, share, subscribe, do the most. And also, please engage. It helps to grow the channel. Let me know what you think about this freestyle. Let me know what other songs you'd like me to react on or to react to. Without any waste of time, get Twizer you on the Twizer show.
Yeah, no, hey, I get Twizer. Get money, I link that's a song. Get Twizer. Maramachita, Vela Lisho. Get Twizer. Barry get Twizer. Wiser, ex-womanizer.
Sure. The Twizer show, baby. Another episode.
Yes, sir.
Oh, baby.
Check
it out.
I feel that's
It's it, Fede. Twizer show, making raising behind these bars. Got one Vusa, my keke got the whole industry covered. Yeah, and I got the I mean, too much. We cover the yellow plague. He block the quite to whip a lot, lava nom zege, ulusi nom rege, industry upegeze. I listen the televele, bachele, good why you vele on the Twizer show, Joe. And like a babinele.
hello, bye-bye. Kawasnetonsi say your hundas. Bigu fundras, tuluma mele biggest das. 16-year-old you sheshe sensing double charts. Ngundu get gas, keep your phone on Google fast. Sotra boy young tola dog, shower that clean. Now ya bonu dova, long abalega mang ven. Outing begging kanin tediening, chafu pielem, sanging bing again. Lesan bonani kamu 7.
Oh, 7, mamela.
Salmonani kamu 7.
Lalela nyakchela nina budget ya kushaba skelem na fatelo ngamjela Roma queen before matama shawel phakathi sotra njenge secret sauce ingena kukhavela
Bona fo noma lelimpopo jo akaye rabo Thomas Choke nabo show machos noma kanja kakwala kaya kabungeni umnyusu kusegazini ngoqala
Bonga
ngesifumbi
kakhulu bogogo nomkhulu ngasegaza mkhulu marumzukulu makaluncha amabhazo kuyenza kakhulu hisikhulu mara kafuna ukrepa ngisho ngesilungu uhamba phezulu uthola ama-feature nabo Big Zulu bamix isonga nezulu basibiza isishanga Zulu mara njengoba bengisho yena ushaya kakhulu awutshele kawo wayitholi airtime udinga i-top up uribona ngathi le game ifail idinga i-scrop
le
up
game ingcolile italent alikho enough ka kuya ngokuthi wasban yena wasban ngabe nongude nami yazina siphumeda ezezolo zidlulile sekuyakhanya sengila yazini ngazobafuvuvuzela basazobuze who's that umunye uzogugize emthuka nxifuthe uzoguqe emkhoset ngibe ngibuze who's next wena kanje thulu back mina ngisidabuza umset
ngimbuzile athi uzondiza njenge
Bro, I can't stress this enough. I always say this. This show needs to be protected at all cost, bro. At all cost, bro. Like, I know Ma7, but I've never heard his music. But I get to see him on the Twizer show. And guess what? After this, I'm going to bump his music. That's the whole purpose of this show, bro.
Juba wathi leke mangatheli FG kusazoshuba it's gonna be a good year cow bazazothuka so babompisa amatayiri sispine njengezuka awutshela usuke kanjani from kwaito to rap abanye bacabanga ukuthi underground and clack we had a check about underground ungathi asikuphela ngoba sonke sinabantwana mele sibana ngekela
mamela kuhleleke qiniso ngenye libalekele vele ngiqale ngekwaito kule era yabo msekezeke irap bekuyintonyane engayifatele engayimameli mawurenga ngomrap akutshele kahle ukuthi ungangihlanye njengando 2.5 mangimamela uproki uzuzobabona ale clever kabe poki irap ngiqale da ivara ngengokhohlisa sazamazama underground ngizobuya
ayobaba njengechilies fede unkumbuzo mawillis nokuyohlanya ngakhona ngathi awuthatha ngamapilisi aphilisa akekho umrap longazophikisa the definition of kasi rap and what skill is so do you feel like rap is lack of opportunity that the peri-urban and suburban rappers like unity is it an every man for himself kana community mhlambe hip hop ingane ifuni purity
yazini kasi rap ngashintsha igasi masingakhona urebs isikhiya kula ma-gatekeepers akekho ungastravi isiphanda everyday cheaters ngama-punching blind vusa ubaby jack ngimhlathi nathi kumele sidle suthe kumele iplate icaci for kuvula namagate isithole ispace isiphanda uvuka kwami ukuvuka wethi cheetah sien cheetahs ngathi siphathi buku solimedi shadi kasibheje ngam khohlwa ngiyipheksele phansi ngikhulele gasi namile ngitenkele fast chucks thank you sana RIP lapho baba pro mfunde kuphakamisela seSoweto kwala tsotso
Bro, Pro Kid is the legend of SA hip hop. I've heard a lot of rappers talking about Pro Kid. Not even rappers from Ekas, Pela. Like even rappers who are like, let's say Keenan Forbes. His gold was who? Was Pro Kid, Lindam Keys. He mentioned it on his interviews and in his songs. And mind you, AKA is from the Burbs or from the Burbs. You get me? So, Pro Kid, shout out Lindam Keys.
ndijoza yikibhala so mwana bot mina nhlaya nkwabo ntela gosh mana wo ngikulungela kusebhozeni nena niyasha nifana nedumbu zama Muslim
anibutisi ngiyakubyela ka rap
Niyasha nifana nedumbu zama Muslim. I'm not explaining parts here, I'm just reacting.
wena mfambisi mi amukelekile twaza shonwa na wasisi ena nemshisi sikelema angishabisi angimutlangisi maseve nokwenza busy I wish this interview would last a little longer but remember what doesn't kill you makes you stronger Maseve twaza show baby
That's obvious. Nah, bro, we need to give Twiza his flowers, bro. What he's doing with this show. If it was someone else, they're going to focus on mainstream because that's how they get numbers. But Twiza is making those numbers with artists that are from underground, artists that are not mainstream. Shout out to Twiza. And for him, rapping in Maseve's home language, it means he did his research. Shout out. If you're new to this channel, please like, share, subscribe, or go by name The Real Mates.